Mr. Bacon.
Hola.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
Yeah, you wanted to do a video today.
Yeah. We're going to do an update on the 9mm carbine. We added Magpul furniture up front and some different aiming devices.
Yeah, get some Embus on there, it looks like. Some Trigicon Reflex, Magpul MOE, as promised. And is that the rubber MOE kit?
No, that's the...
That's the ergo. That's right. Yeah, rubber ergo. And, of course, I think this was on there last time. Yeah, cool.
Hey, there's a Tango down there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, he's kind of propane-y.
Propane tank. Oh, okay. You want to see if there's anything in it?
Da.
Okay. You shoot high. Oh, you got a good ricochet.
Let's inspect.
Okay.
Oh, it still lives. Did a good job at shooting the top off.
Here you go. How about from right there? Ooh. There's stuff in it. Imagine that. Ah! Ooh, it stinks. Do you have a lighter?
It's as terrible like
Should have lit a fire. Liquid propane. Cool, man.